Hi everyone! In this quick guide, I will show you how a seller can change their password using the seller dashboard. First, log into your seller dashboard by clicking the Seller Login button. Once the seller dashboard is open, go to Settings, then click on General. Enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm it. Select your preferred language. I'm choosing English. Set your currency. I'm using USD, and click Save. Your password has now been changed successfully. Now, I'm going to log in with my new credentials. First, log out, then enter your email address and new password and click the Sign In button. With my new password, I can successfully log in to my seller account. And that's it. Now you know how to change your password using the seller dashboard. Thank you.